There we go. So 201.2 pounds to start the day off on this beautiful Wednesday, I believe. Beautiful Wednesday. All right, so it is 11:21, and it's a pretty late start to the day. Not for me. I've been up. I just haven't put anything on the camera because I didn't eat today yet. Last night I forked down this really big salad. It actually wasn't that big. I just wasn't hungry. I've had 2 protein shakes, a meal. I just wasn't hungry. And usually after a hard day of resistance training, my body just doesn't want to eat food. I don't know what it is. I mean, I'm not hungry. I don't feel bad. It's just like, yo, let's chill, let's recover. And I think it's utilizing the nutrients that I already have in my body because I eat so much every day. And so it's probably metabolizing, uptaking nutrients. So I was like, yo, we're good. We got enough reserves. We're good. Right now at 11:22, I am hungry. I'm going to go get a shake. I have a shake to start my day. This day might be a little different because I'm starting later. We're bulking, so I forked down that salad. I was like, yo, I need one more meal for the day because we're bulking and I can feel it. But my body was like, yo, we have to fast this morning. So I fasted for a total of, let's see, a total of 14 hours and 37 minutes. I'll put it on the screen here. 14 hours and 38 minutes. Feel good, feel tight, very tight. My muscles are recovering. The body is absorbing all the nutrients necessary. And now, like I said, it's telling me that I'm hungry too. So we're 201 pounds. Started this thing at like 194, and we feel good. Little bit of little fat, but very minimal. And I'm going to get a shake, and then we're going outside to get some sun. Feeling good on this vegan athlete series. Feeling good. So I'm out of protein, and so that's what we're going to get. Going to get some. Going to get some protein. All right, I just came back from the vitamin shop. Got some more protein. I got the same kind that I got because I've tried 2 different ones and they were good, but they were not as good as the first one. And so while I wanted to branch out on a new flavor today, I stuck with the same one that I got. I got the Planta peanut butter banana. And no, I'm not a rep for it. You think I would about how many times I rave it, but when something's good and I like it, it's just good and I like it. So I'm about to go home, have a protein shake, and then we're gonna finish working, make some content, study, and then we're going to the gym. All right, see you then. The sun is shining, getting those nutrients from the sun. And then we got the meal here. You got the corn, got the walnuts, got the onions. I got green peas, I got raisins, I got red quinoa, arugula, and then some avocado oil on top, some salt, pepper, cayenne pepper. It's amazing. We're gonna eat this and then we're going to the gym to make some gains today. Trying to get that sun. Stargazing, let's go. Let's go, sweating the sun. Sun feels good, sun's good for you, heat's good for you. Gets that blood flowing, get that energy moving, helps metabolize. Come on, get that immune system up. Come on, come on. This is a warm-up. That was my first working set. This is my warm-up. The warm-up is mega important, so make sure to warm up. I did foam rolling, which was tough. I did abs, and I did the Stairmaster. And I'll take you guys to that one day. And the warm-up is legit. It works, feel better. The workout's better. The sweat's worth it, so stay tuned. Warm-up coming soon. Just got done working out. Little upper body, nothing too crazy. Going about to have a protein shake. Put this workout together, and then meal 2. Outside, post gym, got this shake, bananas protein shake, like vegan protein shake powder, bananas. I got walnuts and almond milk. Yep. Drinking this, I'm up to 203 pounds, so I'm up a lot. I'm gonna chill, coast. Nah, I'm going all in, 4th week, and then we have a little break after the 4th week. And I'm about to recover, but we're full steam ahead for the last week and a couple days. Full steam ahead. All right, so real quick, here's my last meal. It's a salad topped with beans, walnuts, raisins, peas, red onions, corn. Definitely got some oils, some spices. I love eating this way, and we might branch out a little bit, but so far so great. Peace.